So Shopify, WooCommerce is of course the WordPress website that is very popular for e-commerce businesses. But Shopify is already a set platform where if you're using it, then you already know you have set templates for it to build your shop. There's a payment web shop in it that you can use like WooCommerce, and we just need to set up that order flow from checkout to get connected to Cloudprinter. Now there's what it says, there's a 100 billion of total sales globally. It is very much used by a lot of websites, and it just continues growing because everything actually like started booming during COVID. Nobody can go outside anymore, but this is the future. Everything goes online, and it just grows more and more. So it's important for us at least to have these plugins for everybody available, because all these platforms, they keep on growing and more people would like to start printing everywhere. So I'm on Cloudprinter.com and I go to the connected apps to get some more information about Shopify, for instance, like we did with all the other plugins. There's a one-click integration. It works fantastically, and we have all of our documentation on it, step-by-step guides how to set everything up in Shopify. But also have, I think it's really easy to, let's see how to configure, because there we created already a video on how to set everything up, so we don't have to switch screens all the time. Let's see. In Shopify, you open the apps, you visit the Shopify App Store. You can also do this on Cloudprinter.com, like we did with WooCommerce. You press the button for download. Over here in Shopify, you can also look for it in their store, and you say Cloudprinter. We select Cloudprinter as the application that we want to use. We want to add it to the Shopify shop as a plugin, and we install that application. Now, once that is done, we actually have to, like WooCommerce, we have to set the authentication up. And let's see if I'm talking faster than this screen goes. So open the settings tabs. And here we have that authorization link that we need to put into our Cloudprinter dashboard. So when you go to Cloudprinter.com, you log into your account in your dashboard. You can place those authentication link in there. Afterwards, you have to confirm it. And then the setup is complete. And that is it.